Oh, I slept horribly last night. It was freezing cold, and the squirrels were jumping around in the trees, making all that chatter. Never got this fire lit. My light ran out of fuel. Probably should have used flint and steel or something. But you gotta keep your morale up. Get my shoelace back here. It's no good hiking without shoelaces. Just gonna keep on going today, trying to get to the top of that mountain. All right, let's go. Come on. All right, we got two flowers here, both kinds you need to know about when you're out in the wild. This one right here is called the devil's eyebrow. It's very bad. That's why we called it the devil's eyebrows. And you don't even want to touch that one. It's very bad for you. But this one right here, this is called the Indian's paintbrush. And this one here, you can just like pluck these little guys off and just suck on the ends of them. It tastes like honey. Out like that. And you can just keep doing this. I mean, it's a lot of vitamins and electrolytes. Oh, that's tasty. Actually, I think actually Indian paintbrush is that's a bad one. It'll make it walk like a
I'ma hit it like a famous. And can't do this, and don't do that. Try to get a big one.
Hey, to that guy.
What guy?
Oh, that's that Survivor guy, dude, from that show. Look at him.
No, it's not.
That totally is that guy.
Honey, if it was that guy, he'd be not crawling along the ground.
No, it's a show. They do it like a show. There's probably cameras and stuff around here. He's got a whole crew that follows him.
There's no cameraman.
Check him out. Look
He's
at that.
coughing. Honey, go help him.
What
He's
do you mean?
hurt. He's trying to
Where's the
flag you
camera
down.
crew?
There's no camera crew. There's nobody here.
Oh.
He's really hurt. Honey, go help him.
All right. All right. Hold on.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I need to call 911. I don't have a phone. Oh my goodness.
Oh. Well, after I got my stomach pumped, I realized that probably this kind of work isn't up my alley. And so I think I'm going to stop the adventure television shows and go back to community college. It was quite the fit there last time I was there. And what I've learned from this experience is that the Southern California mountains are a very dangerous place that should be avoided at all costs. Oh, that's it. I'm done. Oh.